Dear team, task 6 consists of three important questions. The first question is about design pattern. So you can cross check, like I can give you some information. These are some of the important patterns that are usually used while developing the application. So I'm giving this just for reference. Okay, this is for reference. But among these patterns, we use model view presenter MVP pattern. Okay, so try to discuss about, first you discuss about object oriented principles. If you cross check your cross check on internet, you can get some information about object oriented principles. Select some of the principles and write about them and mention that these principles are used in your application development. Next, discuss about MVP pattern. So you just like, if you take the first URL, this one, you can find some good information about model view presenter. Otherwise, you can cross check internet and you can find some information related to it. Just discuss about MVP pattern. Then if you want to, like, maybe you want to include any other pattern, you can select from this. Maybe you discuss about MVC is also a good design pattern that can be used. So you can discuss in that way. Like, first you try to write about object oriented, identify object oriented principles and list few object oriented principles that you used in development. So we say, like, if you select 4 or 5 principles are identified, you just mention, so as a part of development we use this principle. The principle speaks about some xyz information, the benefit of using that particular principle. You can discuss in that way. So later you discuss about the design pattern. Total for this part, you will be writing it in 300 words. So coming to the next point, you will be speaking about entity framework. So this YouTube video gives you perfect information of entity framework. Otherwise, if you got any other source from where you can write, just try to use it, and you discuss about entity framework and say that entity framework was directly used. Okay, so you need to justify it, like benefits of using entity framework directly. Next, last one is, you need to speak about data perspective. In data perspective, how you can secure your data. Other than you securing it using password, we restrict access unauthorized users, providing profile based information in that way. So in data perspective, how you can secure your data, that should be explained. Okay, so in total for each section, try to write 300 odd words. It will become 1000 words. That's it, guys. I will be sharing this content to you in the description of the video. Just use the links.